Web hosting is like creating your own space on a server where you can host maybe your website, whether you can run your website on across the network. So for web hosting, it's advisable to have it, whichever type of business you're doing. If you're running some sales across the internet, if you're selling your products, if you're selling your services, whether you're a small shop, if you're maybe a freelancer, you're usually advised to sell your products on the internet because it reaches a wider market for you. And today we are discussing the best type of web hosting that you can use for your startup business, for whichever type of services that you're doing, that you're selling, regardless of the size of your business, the type of hosting that you need for your website and how to make sales. Maybe my colleague can share on types of businesses that might require web hosting, and I will go to types of hosting that you can use. Maybe she can tell you the range of businesses that you're doing as a startup, as a young business person. Let share some of them.
What I want to say is that there is no business that web hosting cannot manage. As long as you want to keep your business thriving online, then I think it's best for you to choose a web host that will host your website for it to be able to go online or to strive online. Running a business in this 2025 is not an easy task, especially if you want to start up a business. It is normally not an easy task. And maybe you are running maybe Mutumba business, selling Mutumbas. It's okay, it's a business, it's very striving, but you need to work an extra mile. You can just work on your business online instead of marketing yourself too much, like in the area you are. People like easy stuff, like maybe visiting just a site and they are able to get what you sell through that site. Now that's where the web hosting comes in, because once your business starts getting known to many people, then even your chances in the market are high. There is no specific business that cannot be used with TrueHost.